Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about Microsoft Excel. This is a very powerful tool being widely used in almost every organization on the planet. So we'll be discussing how to make use of this tool in your daily life, and first of all how to install this one. This is part of Microsoft Office package, so along with Microsoft Word, PowerPoints, etc. So this is one of the major application inside Microsoft Office package. So I will be using Office 365. This is a cloud variant, so to access Microsoft Office or to install this one, you need to go to www.office365.com, and once you log in, and then you can open it on the browser, or you can install in your local machine, but you can save the data on the cloud. So once you have installed Microsoft Excel, you search for the Excel application, and once you double click on the application, you will see this window. So this is the first time when it opens, so it is asking you to whether you want to open an existing file or you want to create a new file. So to create new file, you can click on blank workbook, or there are some tours, etc. You can take those one, or there are some existing templates which you can use, which are really useful for depending upon your business requirement. If you have any existing project worksheet or any data which you already have got in Excel, you can open this one using this open button. So we'll be using a blank workbook, so I'll double click there. Let's maximize my window. So once you are here, so this top is our menu bar, so home, insert, and once you are on them in the menu bar in the home, then these are the options available to you in the menu bar. So if you go next to insert, we'll be discussing all of these options in detail. So once you are insert, what you want to insert, these are the options available. And likewise, if you want to change the page layout, if you want to find a formula, or which formula formula or function you want to use in Excel, so you can use those one from here. In data tab, if you want to link data of this Excel workbook to a database, or you want to fetch data from a CSV or text file, how you can use this one. So all these options are there. We'll be discussing that one. So review is there, whether you want to review any spellings or workbook statistics, or if you want to protect or unprotect workbook or worksheet. And I'll be explaining you the difference between a workbook and worksheet. And you have view, menu, at automate, developer, and the last one is help. So if I go back to home, so in here this area is called cell address. So every sheet consists of some cell is belonging to an address, which is a column address, and then down here we have got vertically we have got columns, and horizontally we have got rows. And when I click, you can see this is changing. So now I am D4, that means this is the column D, and I'm in row number 4. Then this is our formula bar or function bar, where we'll be typing, or if I'm typing any text here, hello, so it is being typed here. So you can see if I want to edit, once I click here, you can click here and edit this one. Okay, this is our formula bar. And if you want to select full worksheets, you can click here on this little arrow and it will select full worksheet. Okay, let's clear this one out. So this is a sheet. A sheet is a subsection inside your workbook. Workbook is this main Microsoft Excel book, which I will be naming as demo. Inside demo, I've got I can name this one my first demo, and then if I want to open another one, I can create another one, second demo, and likewise I can name anything else. So you can create as many sheets as you need. And then here you have got, this is the normal view, and then this is your page layout view. If you want to change it, so you can change it, and this is from here you can see how the printout of this one will look. And then you can see a page break preview, and from here you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, now if I go back to my first worksheet, and Excel, you can do a lot of things, pretty much a lot of things which you have never thought of. This is a very powerful tool, and even you can do programming, coding, write macros, automate your processes. This, it can talk to other workbook and other applications such as PowerPoint, Word, etc., or it can talk to Microsoft Access databases. So all that can be done using the linkages between a workbook and any other Microsoft application or a non-Microsoft application. Okay, so to start with, we have a list of numbers which we want to sum. So let's say we have 12 months data. So if I type Jane and go to this cell, and you see I have got, when I hover my cursor over the border of this cell, I get 4 arrows, otherwise it's a big plus sign, and when I come to this very lower right end of the cell, it is showing me a plus sign. So that means my replication is active. What replication is, when I go to this corner, I drag it and it will start adopting the next in the list of available months. So I only typed not complete January but Jan, but system is clever enough, it knows what I want to type. And then in here, if I got 50, 60, 50, 45, 35, 25, 15, 35, 32, 59, 75 and 60, these are my monthly sales. So if I type, this is my month and this is my sale. Okay, now I want to sum all of these. Okay, so I go to formulas, and here is an option of auto sum. If I click on that, you can see it has selected all my monthly sales with the formula it has given, which is equal to sum parenthesis start B2, which is my starting position, comma, colon, and my ending position B13 and bracket close, and I'll press enter. It has given me sum of 541. Now there are multiple ways you can apply SAM logic. This is auto sum option. You can do auto average, auto count number, min or max of this. So if I want min, I will go here, select my option of min, but now it has selected total, but I don't want total to be part of my min finding, so I will select my range accordingly and press enter. My min is 15. If I want to find my max, again I will go to this cell where I want my result. I'll go to max and I will change again my criteria to B2 to B13, press enter. My maximum, as you can see, is 75, minimum is 15 sale, and now I want to get an average, and again I'll go to my formulas, auto average, and I will adjust to B2 B13, press enter, and that's my average. Okay, so this is how you can use your functions in Excel. There are some very powerful functions. For example, in financials, you have got a lot of IRR. You can find return on internal rate of return, etc., duration, effect, and logical if you want to see try and or if statement, false, if errors, etc., lambda, let, etc., and in text you have got characters, quotes, so very powerful functions available for you. And inside mathematics you have got ABS, aggregate, and likewise you have got some decimal, base, etc., and loads of function which are there which you can use. Okay, so this is one way of getting a formula. Second method of finding a formula is, so imagine I don't know what is my average formula, and I don't know that I can find average from here. What I'll do, I will go here, I will click on this insert function, and I will search average from all, and I'll click go, and it has found me all the average functions. I will select here, and you can see it is giving me which number I want to average. So I will select my range again, and okay, so you can see it is same answer. So this is how you can apply your formula. If you don't know the formula, you can go to insert function, find your function and apply it. Another method of applying a function, if you remember a function, you don't need to find it, you can simply click equal to and start typing your formula, and then select your formula, press tab, and then select your range, bracket close, enter, and again it will find you same formula. Another useful feature is if I put my cost here next to every month, that's my sale. If I give my cost of every month, so let me copy paste. So if I just keep dragging all of these, so I have given some random numbers here by dragging that one, and I want to do a total, a min, max, and average, but of cost. So how you can do that, one option is I go to this option and again type it, or second option is I select my existing functions and simply drag to the right, and you will see sum is copied, some formula is copied, C2 to C13, and likewise min is adopted accordingly, and max is adopted as well, and likewise average. So you imagine you had all of these had some data here. With only a single drag you can apply your formula. Next week we will be discussing how you can what's the difference between absolute referencing and relative referencing. So when you drag, if you want to fix a position, a column or a cell, or if you want to move as you drag, so that is relative referencing, but we'll be discussing it next time. Until then, take care. See you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.